Exercise number 13 and the last exercise in the second Taiso exercise routine is deep breathing. It's how we always finish this kind of exercise routine because that's the thing that's going to close us off. Remember at the beginning, I said we're going to go from a position of not exercising to exercising. Well, we're going to close it the same way. We're going to close by going from a state of exercising / having exercised to normal, where we can just go about our day-to-day lives. So, we start with our feet shoulder width apart. We bring the hands up, and then we turn the palms out, we swing down, and then we bask as we breathe in and come down. Come around, turn the palms out, down, open, and bask. Now, to get from one to the other, if you want to just do all the repetitions together. See, I'm so relaxed now, I can't even put words together. Bring your hands up overhead, down and a loose swing in front, and then bask, and then you can just come up again, turn out, down, bask, up, down, bask, come up, down, bask. And then when you've done 4, that is you done with this routine. So let's do the 4, spin around, we do the 4 together, and then you have learned another Taiso exercise routine. So either bring the hands up like that or bring the hands around like that. Swing, bask, come up, loose swing, bask, come up, loose swing, bask, come up, loose swing, bask, and relax. We'll spin around and then that'll be us both done. So your feet are shoulder width apart, bring the hands up, turn the palms out, down in a loose swing, bask, up, down in a loose swing, bask, up, down in a loose swing, bask, up, down in a loose swing, bask, and then just finish it off. There's some postural play coming in here, so when I come up, you know, there's a slight back lean there, because that's me bringing in the new air again. So we're using the same principles as we've used all along. This, all the air's coming out. That's the air coming in, and then we do it again. So it's kind of a slowed down version of what we did earlier in the routine. But basically this is just a nice, you know, everything is slow now, everything is relaxed. The breaths are slow, the movements are slow, all of that. So that is your second Taiso exercise routine. I haven't been quite as strict with the instructions on this one as I was in the first exercise routine. That's just because you know a little bit more. So this now is just an aid to the instructions. It is just an aid to help you when you maybe get a bit stuck. But remember, if you do get stuck, head on over to taiso.co.uk and drop me a message there, or use the comments in YouTube below. So that's it. You have no excuses not to do the second series of Taiso exercises. Good luck.